Here are the very simple medical items I have with me when I'm at the shooting range and stuff I recommend you have in your bug out bag. I'm former CI Officer Jason Hanson. I'm out at Spy Ranch. We do a ton of firearms training and evasive driving training and so on. And also in my bug out bag, because I want to be prepared, I have some medical items. So here is the very, very simple setup on my hip right here for when I'm doing a firearms class, pistol, rifle, whatever it might be. Yes, I have a bigger bag that has bandages, gauze, like 800 other things, but I'm talking about the stuff I have on my immediate person as you have here. So that big medical bag, which I'm talking about, is still close by. You know, it's only a few yards away, but it's sitting on a table. So first, what do we have in here? It is attached to my hip, as you can see. If you're a firearms instructor, you don't want to have to go dig far and wide for critical stuff. One right here, obviously just some medical shears. This is to cut clothing if, heaven forbid, somebody gets shot and we have to stop a serious bleed. So scissors there, you should have that. In my pocket, I always carry with me a Sharpie so you can mark what time, if you had to put a tourniquet on, that you know what time you put that tourniquet on. And of course, I have a Sharpie on me anyways because I'm usually marking targets, writing something down. So I've always got a Sharpie marker. And then I've got this here, which is my tourniquet. And my tourniquet that I use is a CAT tourniquet, the CAT tourniquet. There are plenty of tourniquets out there. I just like this because it's easy to put on one-handed, and you do not want to go cheap on your tourniquets. Like all of your survival gear in life, do not go cheap. Don't buy the world's cheapest Chinese stuff because it will not do you well. Obviously right here where it says time, if heaven forbid you had to apply a tourniquet, that's where you write the time with your trusty Sharpie marker. And the beauty of this, as I mentioned earlier, is that you can put this on one-handed. So I train at the range all the time by myself. I've got a wife and 7 kids, so this is my oasis. This is where I come when I want to train by myself and have nobody bother me. And I have this on my hip as such because I'm by myself out here in case something horribly went wrong. You don't need a million things on your person because if somebody goes down, you're quickly, and stupid fly over here, you're quickly gonna check them, see what's going on, see if, you know, if they got shot, maybe it was just a trip or a fall and their pride is hurt, nothing else. But if they got shot, you got to quickly assess it and throw this tourniquet immediately, which is why I said you don't want it a million miles away at the bottom of some bag you're going to have to dig for and all that. Keep it on your person, make it easy to access. And now I'm never in a million years going to be able to get this back in the pouch without changing, without folding it nicely, which as you can see, I didn't fold it nicely here. So yes, fold it nicer than I'm doing when you put it back in the pouch. But if you do as much gun training as I do, and hopefully you do because you love guns, God bless America, have this on you. So that's it. I'm former CI Officer Jason Hanson. Super quick and fast video of the medical equipment I have on my body at the range. I'm gonna go back to shooting. The gun we're playing with today is the CZ-P10C. Great gun, better version of the Glock. Yes, that's what I did say. 9mm, and that's it. God bless you. Stay safe. Get your medical equipment. I know it's not the world's sexiest thing, but you gotta have your medical equipment for the range and your bug out bag. Adios.